This video will serve as your guide on how to use FL Studio on your iPhone. Of course, in order to run FL Studio on your iPhone is that you should install first FL Studio on your iPhone, which is go to the Apple Store, then search up FL Studio. And like here, we already have here the FL Studio itself, which is a mobile version of FL Studio. I think this will be what you will see in the app since it is mobile. You should understand the interface of FL Studio Mobile. Create a new project and add instruments and sounds. Compose using the piano roll, which is here, right here, and step sequencer. Apply effects and mix your track, record audio and automation, then save and export your project. And that is basically it on how to use FL Studio Mobile on your iPhone.